Personally, I think Shiba Inu fundamentally oozes with potential. However, we're just not seeing that trade volume that we need right now in the crypto markets to increase the price of Shiba. And recently we've had some big updates, with Shibarium and things like that, and on-chain data suggests, well, actually Shibarium is looking really, really good. So I do think there is a good future here for Shiba Inu. Remember, this is a large cap meme coin, so effectively you're going to see diminishing returns. So if you're new here, guys, subscribe to the channel. Today we talk about Shiba Inu, a meme coin, not for everyone, but for most. So market cap is 4.89 billion right now, trading at $0.0000828. The last month for this coin, we did see some really big highs actually, but we've seen like a good 20% correction now for this overall coin. Bull market predictions, we'll talk about that later on in this video as well. And overall, just what I think can happen by the next year, because it all comes down to, the psychology of a market cycle. It comes down to euphoria. It comes down to what retailers are doing right now. And I don't think we are seeing that huge global bull run yet. We're nowhere near the top. Nobody's really still yet talking about cryptocurrency. In general, you walk out, you go outside, you go to the gym, you go to a cafe, you're not hearing the whole Bitcoin like we did last time. So Shiba Inu is available in many markets. Most of the volume is coming through Binance, Coinbase, Qcoin, the major exchanges. And of course, naturally it is listed everywhere because Bitcoin whales hold this, Ether whales hold this, everyone is holding this. And looking at the Shibarium data and stats right here, I think this is where it gets quite interesting. You can see just, this is all the last month, but the account growth over the last month from 29k to 30.369k, but the new accounts right here, just on the 30th of November, literally yesterday, was a great day for the Shibarium ecosystem, with many more active accounts joining the ecosystem. So Shiba Inu Shibarium clears 5 million transactions after a massive spike. The innovative layer 2 solution for Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has achieved a landmark of 5 million transactions. So this is really bullish. Shibarium, the layer 2 scaling solution for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, has reached a new milestone. So people are feeling pretty bullish. The platform is known for its handling or effective handling of transactions of the Shiba Inu network. So this is overall bullish for everything Shiba related. And just looking at the price right now, it really is the volume that we're lacking. We're not seeing that bull market volume like we had in 2021 in the peak of the alt seasons, and that's where we saw the price spike. So it takes crazy amounts of volume to get Shiba Inu moving. Otherwise, it is still just a dirty lull and a bit of a boring downtrend here for Shiba Inu. We have buyback opportunities at 0.0000594, and we could potentially see this coin pump up to levels of 0.000152 in the future. So I don't know if it will get back to its all-time high, but I do think there's a lot of space to the upside for this coin in the future. Anyhow, it's hard to say exactly where it will go. Safe numbers, tell us that a 2x is possible, from $5 billion market cap to a 10 billion. But again, it is difficult to really pinpoint what could happen. When we look at the market cap of Shiba Inu, back in the peak of the bull run, it hit $43 billion. So you're looking at about a 9x from the current levels. A 9x of the price from where we are might not be where the price was back then, because the supply may be different or something like that. But overall, pragmatic target is, by looking at the market capital, you want to get back to that kind of 40 billion mark, which would be absolutely crazy. You're asking for a 10x. Could it happen? Maybe. Do we know it's going to happen for sure? Absolutely not. So that's what we'll be looking at for the market capitalization. We're missing volume, we're missing euphoria. Recently we're overbought on the daily RSI. The weekly RSI is nowhere near euphoric like it was back in 2021. So yeah, it's just really a game of patience. You got to wait for this thing to really go crazy to see that mass FOMO, but we're not getting that mass FOMO right now. So it's a bit of a play to earn ecosystem. There are staking rewards. It is a doxed and KYC team. And this one here, of course, is a pre-sale as well, guys. So it's not yet launched. It's not yet on DEX. It's not yet on centralized exchanges. 379% APY for this one. Decent tokenomics as well. 50% to pre-sale, 30% to staking and battle rewards. That's the community. 10% to DEX, and then a further 10% for more community rewards and a long-term roadmap. So if you like this pre-sale, check it out down below. where you can buy it with your MetaMask wallet if you wish. And fingers crossed we'll see this low market cap 5 million hard cap gem maybe do a 5 to 10x. Not financial advice, of course, guys. Shiba Inu predictions of 0.001. That removes 2 zeros. That is crazy. Yeah, I mean, stuff like this, I just don't know if we're really going to see that happen, 0.001. I personally don't even think that is realistic. It was nowhere near there in its bull market euphoric cycle, so no chance is it going to remove somehow all those zeros, unless for some reason like 95% of the supply is stripped, right? So that's if there is a massive Shiba Inu burn and crazy institutional volume. So we're going to need to see insane amounts of the token burn for this to have, perhaps actually happen. I don't know what tricks Elon Musk has up his sleeve. Maybe he might even do something to Shiba Inu this year or next year. We never know what could happen, but I think this is a very overly optimistic price prediction here, saying here the support area is at the 200-day EMA and buy, our congestion zone at 0.00008. Investors may find buying opportunities during bull pullbacks as they are integral to the continuation of the uptrend. So as Shiba Inu corrects, we've got this green zone that we're looking at. My buyback zone is even lower at 0.0000642. These buybacks, these big identifications of points of interest are really keeping the coin afloat, so to speak. If you guys are new to the channel, check out my Patreon down below. We've got over 300 patrons. If you like trading signals and want to potentially get some big trades like the ones you can see on screen, we've got loads of technical analysts in the Discord down below that are helping people trade with the great signals that they are providing in the Discord, as you can see right here on my screen. So if you want that, my Discord is down below. Patreon is down below. We've got different packages at different prices here, and if you're looking to trade the upcoming volatility in crypto, make sure to also potentially sign up to NEXC, the exchange that I use and all our traders, if you want to potentially grab some trading bonuses and rewards. The link is right down below there, guys. Thank you for watching this. Have a look at the meme combat pre-sale as well. It could do some crazy things when it launches. Really hope to see some good games like Tamadoge, like the Sponge token, and some of the other meme coins we've looked at on this channel, like Wall Street memes as such. Meme combat could do some crazy things. So thank you for watching this video. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice, and I will see you all very soon. Bye for now.